Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend'S Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos.
Today, we're going to show you how to make no-bake cream oat cheesecake. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan na natin! Una, i-melt nyo lang yung white chocolate sa microwave oven. After that, mag-start na kayo mag-cream ng cream cheese. By the way guys, make sure nyo lang na nasa room temperature yung cream cheese na gagamitin nyo para madali nyo ma-achieve yung nice and creamy consistency. Kapag creamy na yung cream cheese natin, ihalo nyo na yung melted white chocolate. Pagkatapos, i-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa maging well incorporated. At ngayon, ready na yung cream cheese topping natin. I-set aside nyo muna ito for the meantime.
By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
At ngayon, i-prepare nyo lang yung muffin tray at maglagay lang kayo ng paper cups. Pagkatapos, maglagay lang kayo ng isang pirasong cream o sandwich cookie sa bawat isang paper cup. Then, i-fill nyo lang yung bawat isang paper cups ng cream cheese toppings. Pagkatapos, i-flatten nyo lang yung top nito nicely using ng isang spatula. After that, maglagay lang kayo ng crushed cream o sa ibabaw. And then, ilagay nyo lang to sa fridge for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. And there you go! Our no-bake cream oat cheesecake is now ready. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.